All right, he told you to be cautious when the market was wobbly. Then he told you to get aggressive when he got aggressive. I'm going to bring in now Bell Point, their chief strategist, David Nelson. David, you've been rocking, my man. I remember, though, you were a little nervous, right, at the beginning of this.
I'm always nervous.
Yeah, but you were voicing it more than normal, right? I mean, that cool exterior was, I finally saw you sweat.
Do that a lot.
And so what was interesting to me is that you did come around. I mean, listen, you try to always be vested, but you started to feel better about this market.
I had to make a major shift, a few months ago.
What was it that pushed you towards saying, okay, I feel more confident about it?
Certainly part of it was price momentum. Stocks were just acting a lot better. And the pieces started falling into place.
Right.
And I think stocks started, speaking the game, what we're learning about inflation right now. Stocks were screaming that months ago, and finally the Federal Reserve is starting to get that message.
Don't you find it interesting that when you and I started in this industry a few decades ago, at least I know, I was taught the market knows. Like, the market is a great harbinger of things to come 6 months from now, a year from now. And yet somehow Wall Street, the experts on Wall Street started to say, well, we know more than the market. So even though the market was telling us, hey, you're going to have some benign economic data coming out, you're going to be able to, at least for now, dodge recession. The market was saying that. They were screaming it at us. Right. And most experts said they ignored that. And
some of these guys are really bright guys, and I really respect the work they do. I really applaud what Mike Wilson did this week. He admitted and said, you know what? I didn't get it this one right, but this is a really bright guy. He'll get it right in the future. He may not be endorsing stocks right now, but I think the Armageddon event. The only
problem for me is, listen, it's a humbling gig, right? We both do it. It's a humbling gig every day. I never get too excited when I have a winner because I know the next day I'm going to have a loser, right? But having said that, the reason it bothers me a little bit more is that they get paid no matter what. They still get 7, 8-figure incomes. People watching, trying to learn this thing from afar, they don't make, they make these decisions based on that. And that's why I always try to get someone like you who moved before Mike Wilson did, what you saw, so that we could share it with the audience. Now, you think the NASDAQ 100 looks like it's going to hit the all-time high, and I
would say the same for the S&P 500 as well.
And you like ServiceNow right now?
ServiceNow, I bought at the close yesterday. And by the way, my timing on this stock is abysmal. I've traded this awfully through the years, in part because the valuation's pretty rich. I saw an opportunity yesterday on the close. I thought that was a good quarter. It had a little bit of hair on it. Maybe the sales cycle is extending a bit, but Bill McDermott is one of the best. He built a great franchise here.
Also, I'll add the caveat for you. Extremely volatile. So if you like it, don't just have a 1% stop loss. You might be out of it before the show's over.
Out of it by Monday, yeah.
And your only concern, I'll share with the audience, that 10-year yield, watch that 4%. Under 4%, we're okay.
You get above 4%, stocks aren't going to like that. They're going to head south.
Great stuff, man. Congratulations. Appreciate it.